Namaste everyone, my name is Vijay Nishan. I'm an urban conservationist, also a tree doctor from Bengaluru. It gives an immense pleasure talking on the Disha Bharat on the occasion of the World Environment Day, which is celebrated all across the world annually on June 5th. The World Environment Day has been a flagship campaign for the United Nations which addresses the pressing environmental issues, which has been started on the year 1974, and this Environment Day has been celebrated all across the world. Nearly 143 countries celebrates this one, and every year the World Environment Day will going to have a theme, and this year theme is ecosystem restoration and focus on resetting our relationship with nature. This year being in a pandemic year, like all across the world, researchers, scientists, everybody is pointing at habitat destruction is the main cause for this pandemic, and it shows the importance of our interaction with the nature. We can't destroy the nature or the biodiversity or the environment on our will. That will make us to land this kind of a situation. We would have seen lot of pandemics before also, and in future also we're going to see it. That's why it's very important we started caring for the environment, starting contributing towards the environment. If you see, like all across the world, every 3 seconds the forest, the area which is the size of a football stadium is destroyed, and we have already lost nearly 50% of our wetland in the last decade, and we have already lost 50% of the coral reef all across the world. If this continues, we will be losing nearly 90% of the coral reef by 2050, and that is the danger it's lurking. That's why this kind of a campaign is very important to initiate it all across the world, and you be a part of it. What we can as an individual can be done. We as an individual be a part of it. Start contributing by planting a sapling and taking care of all over the year. Also, we can look into the nearby lake or a biodiversity parks, where we can start working towards the betterment and pristinity of it, so it can get better. This kind of a individual or a smaller contributor helps to bring a change in our society, and that can lead to a bigger steps, and that's why we have to come together. You would have seen this is the hardest part of our life and the year, because children are wearing masks when the air is clean, and that's why we started thinking, contributing it more and more, so we can build a better world for our children. The World Environment Day. On the World Environment Day, the United Nations brings the individual, celebrities, NGOs, business people, also government together, bring up their own small little changes through a plantation, the restoration of the lake, restoration of degraded land, and also talking with the governments to bring up policies changes. So that's why you should be responsible citizen and start contributing towards the environment. You might be engineer or doctor, a pilot, anybody, but at the end of the day, we have taken so much of the society and the environment. We should start contributing towards it, and then only we are able to tackle the burning issue what the world is today. It's facing it. My kind request to all of you people is to plant a sapling on this Environment Day and start taking care of it, and also try to understand the policies of the government and try to be a part of it in providing a sustainable solution, so it can play a big role. Like this, every country, every individual, every NGO started contributing, we can build a better world, and that is the way forward, and there is no other way for us, because this is a beautiful world which sustains almost all beings in the galaxy. So we have to take care of it, and we have to start contributing it, and that is the only way. Please take care of yourself, also the environment around you. In that way, let's pledge this year that we will start contributing for the environment to build a better world, and it's for our future and it's for our children. Thanking you all. Happy World Environment Day. Be responsible. Take care of your environment.